So, luckily eBay notifications are a thing, and I saw that this Road Wrestlemania box was delivered today. Because it is Sunday, and I didn't realize that anything besides Amazon ran on Sundays. But, yeah, I ordered this Friday because, like, I got paid, and, it came up on my eBay, and it was, like, a good deal. And the thing that sold me was, like, it was supposed to be here tomorrow, Monday. It was my first day of classes, so I was like, okay, I'll get it, you know, to come home to my first day of classes. But it came now, so I'm gonna open it up. I love these bays, they're pretty cool. It's Bailey, ooh. That Ronda spotlight, awesome. That Brian announcing is. Okay, Mania 34 cards. Gonna put them onto the side. So really, the reason I did buy this is because, like, this is the only set where I don't care if I get a matte relic. Because, like, they're all Mania 34 weekend stuff, so. Heyman, Miz, another Ronda spotlight. Those are gonna be cool. So, TakeOver yesterday was I enjoyed it a lot. UK, they're killing it right now. Is that a bronze? I guess bronze normally aren't numbered, but that looks different than the rest of them, so. And that, wow, like, I just realized how close the base looks, so, like, if there is, like, a numbered parallel, I'm going to be screwed trying to find it. I have to go through the back of all of them and look. Matt, another Ronda. Alright, those are my boys, so that's a cool card. Brian and Mania. Excited to see the debut of Walter. Kind of bummed though, because like it's so early, and like I don't think he can chase the title for 6 months. And I would love to see Dunn hit like 2 years, but it's still cool. Oh, that's the Raw after Mania. I loved that. I love how these have the dates. Like, I'm just realizing that, like, they have the dates at the top. This feels big. I'm gonna keep that one aside. It's bigger than all the others. Rusev, Nia, Elias, bronze. This is the first hobby box I've gotten since Then Now Forever 2016. So, like, it's been a while. Because I've been saving for my Mania trip last year. And then just really haven't felt like buying any tops until now. I like that Bliss. That Taker Mania card. It's Kevin and Sammy bronze. Pretty sure I just got that. If not, they have a lot of Braun just like doing a power slam. I like the design of the box this year. Like, I like Cena, Roman, and Ronda on the front. Like, those are my 3 favorites. Usos bronze. Okay, that Rollins with the IC title card is sweet. I thought I had a method to like how I was picking, but then no, I just ended up not doing it. That's awesome. Oh, that's an auto. I didn't even see it, so I'm gonna save that one for last. So now we got a bunch of these to go through. Without Cesaro, Jinder, Shield, defeating New Day. Oh, I forgot. I mean, I remember that match happened, but yeah, it's something that you kind of forget about. Okay, Braun. Braun and Mojo. Like, Mojo just looks like he's about to get killed. Bludgeon Brothers. Sadly, one of the more forgettable matches. Not even because, like, them. It was just, like, it was so short and weird. Probably because it looked like it was supposed to be the, like it would have been like the multi-man ladder match, but then TakeOver had theirs. Shane, Elias. Okay, I swear I've had that card 3 times so far. Like, I don't know. I haven't even looked at any of the checklists to see anything that's on here. So, like, I'm not fully sure, but it's like, man, how many, like, the same exact card are you going to get in one hobby box? I gotta go through my base when this is all done. When I say base, I mean, like, the Mania. Not the, like, like the moment cards. Okay, the Nakamura winning the Rumble one's cool. Moving them on the front so I don't have to keep reaching. This is also my first hobby box since, like, they went to this stand, and I like it better, I think, just because it's cool to... Okay, Bludgeon Brothers bronze. That's pretty cool. Rollins Finn. SmackDown invades. Oh no, Under Siege. My bad. It's so weird to like think that most of these are from like 17 because like 18 just happened. Like you'd think, of course, like they can't get it out in that time. It's weird. Bronze and Mojo. I don't know. This is always like the weirdest set 'cause it's like it's the Mania from last year, but it's like themed for the one that's coming up, and then it's like cards from a couple years before. This set always trips me out, like trying to think about which set like these cards came from. There we go. Ronda card and Brian. Okay, so like the one I've got like 18 times in bronze now. Actually, I think there are 2 of them that are different moments, so like you might have gotten like one duplicate, but it looks like a very similar picture. Matt Hardy, bronze. Kalisto winning the Cruiserweight. Jeez. Why did I forget that happened on Raw? Oh, we got 2 more before we get into the hit packs. Triple H, Taker, another bronze. Say that multiple times. And the last pack before we get into hits. Kofi, Charlotte, Cena, Braun, bronze. And that same card, but regular. Alright, so I'll get into this hit card first. Cedric and son of... See, I bought it thinking I'd be okay with any Matt Relic, but I don't want a stupid Andre the Giant. 149 of 99. Not my day with or week for breaks. Because if you saw Friday on my Twitter, I put up a video of a Tamina Matt Relic I got from a Road to Wrestlemania or Women's Division box. Orton and Cedric are cool though. Alright, so just here's the rest of that pack. Styles, Ali, Eric. Holy cow. I like Rowan. But on top of the Andrea card, this is not an autograph I wanted on top of that. Eric Rowan autograph card. 22/25. Yeah, that's not gonna focus on that, whatever. But yeah. Jeez, and now my camera's going. Yeah, disappointing, to say the least. Maybe I should have checked the list before, because yeah, I'll see you guys sometime.